Hello everyone, welcome back to the beautiful month of July. So today's video is all about the KYC for Hamster Kombat. The secret word for today is a very simple one, which is KYC. That's KYC. So before I continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share. Can as well drop a comment. Thank you guys. So today's word is what? KYC. KYC. So for the K is just a long tap, a tap and a long tap. So you touch and release, touch and release. The next one is Y, which is a tap, a long tap, tap, long tap and a long tap. That is a long press, touch, long press and a long press. So long tap, tap, long tap and long tap. For the C is a long tap, tap, long tap and tap. So we long tap, tap, long tap, tap. So that's it. We have just cracked the code for today's daily cipher. So don't forget to come back tomorrow for your daily combo. Follow me on TikTok at DGT Warehouse. Also on Twitter as well. So I do post Gemz daily combo and PixelTap by PixelVerse. So I don't want to suffocate this channel, So thanks for the support and thanks for the new subscribers. See you tomorrow.